Hello everybody, welcome to my channel on how to do it online. By the way, my name is Abubakar Abdulkadir as usual. Do like and subscribe to this channel if you find out this video really interesting. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to briefly explain to you guys how to set up your TikTok account, how the TikTok account works. So you watch me in this video. I'm going to show you step by step guide on how to set up your TikTok account. So now the first thing you need to do right now is to go to the TikTok app and create a free account with TikTok. That is, if you don't have account with them, you go and create an account. You broke me. You broke my heart. And I hate you because I still love you. See, all these are profiles of people online that are using TikTok. These are the profile. So you broke me. TikTok. You broke my heart. And I hate you because I still love you. You can share the comment on WhatsApp. You broke me. And the rest. You broke my heart. You broke my heart. And I hate you because I still love you. You broke me. You can set up your account with TikTok if you don't have account with them. You broke my heart. And I hate you. You can go and create one and link it to your Google account. So as you can see, I have account with them. I'm just gonna in. So let's check it out. So there are 4 methods to set up your TikTok account. You can use your phone or email to set up. You can continue with your Facebook account. You can continue with Google. You can continue with Twitter. So let's continue with Google because it works pretty much easy. So let's check it out with Google. So you can after you've selected your Gmail account, then you are good to go with TikTok account. So on this TikTok account, you can comment, you can share on Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. So you create your username. You type in your preferred username that you need. You type in the preferred username that you need. Then we type KADSOLO. So if it is available, you will be notified that it is available. You change the username for your TikTok. So as you can see, this one is pretty okay. Then I'll just click on sign up and put my password. Because I still love you. You broke me. You broke my heart. And I hate you because I still love you. You broke me. You broke my heart. And I hate you because I still love you. You broke me. You broke my heart. And I hate you because I still love you. You broke me. You broke my heart. And I hate you because I still love you. You broke my heart. And I hate you because I still love you. You broke me. You broke my heart. And I hate you because I still love you. You broke me. You broke my heart. And I hate you.
Your videos here on this TikTok account. You can also add your videos. So you have to permit drawing of other apps on these TikTok settings before you can upload your videos, pictures, and the rest. So I'm going to permit drawing of other apps. And you can also follow the video. Follow the person that did the video here.